Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am.
Everyone.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, everyone. How's everyone?
Good afternoon. Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. You are back in your house.
Actually, the thing is, like when my son is asleep, I have to move. Yes, beta.
What, ma'am? What, ma'am?
Actually, the thing is, when my son sleeps, generally like around 12 o'clock, so I have to move to another room because he's asleep in this room. So that is why you kind of sometimes see him sitting in some other room because he's very particular. Okay, Musa, not a problem. Yes, beta.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, day after tomorrow, I will switch on my video. Okay?
Okay, that's completely fine.
Ma'am,
As
I'm
long-
not well today.
Okay, what happened, beta?
3.
What
Because
happened to
of
you?
the weather and the it is so cold that we are getting fever.
Yes, cold and cough has been a
No,
problem.
not
Yes,
full.
but that's
Only
completely fine. Just take care of yourself, take medicine, and take adequate rest. You'll be fine. Don't worry. Okay, so we were doing about flowering plants.
Ma'am, today give us we will do in the school only the homework. We will not take it home.
Hinda is only concerned with the homework. Either she wants to play or she doesn't want the homework. Why is it so, Hinda? Not interested in studies? Hinda? Why so, beta? You don't like science?
Ma'am, what do we have to do today?
Today we'll be doing science. But before I proceed, what about your projects? Your flowering plants? Anybody else who has a plant to show? I think so. Hinda was supposed to do it that day itself. Hinda, did you do the experiment with us?
Ma'am, I showed my experiment, ma'am.
Yes, you
That
showed,
is
but then you are yet to give me the pictures, beta. Without pictures, how will I post it?
In front of you.
Ma'am, I showed the pictures, ma'am, on Google Class.
Did you share the pictures also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll
Ma'am,
just check
I
it
want to do
once.
in front of you. I want to do it in front of you.
Okay, so do it now quickly. Chalo, I'm waiting. Go get some coriander leaves.
Okay, ma'am, I'm ready.
Yes, quickly. Till then, I'll just share my screen. What about others? Did you do the experiment that I asked you, beta?
So that's I have showed you.
Yes, Ikra, so you too have done. Like I even received your pictures. They are very fantastic, impressive. What about other Nida? Did you do the experiment, beta?
Why? Ma'am, it's die. The plants die.
Okay, now that's completely fine because now I have the pictures.
Ma'am, my plant is also getting black, becoming
Yes, now
black.
it will eventually die, na, because there is no soil in it. Yes.
Now we will not send the photo.
Now also I want you to send the photo. If your plant is alive, turning color, send photo. If it is dead, then don't send me a photo.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, it's dead. My plant
When I share, lots of
One is a boy who is a small child.
What Zida? I asked Nida. My daughter's name is Zida. And here I have a student called as Nida. So whenever I call Nida, Zida comes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Me too.
Okay, that's great.
I give some.
So everybody, I request you all to submit your experiment as soon as possible. This is the last
Ma'am,
week.
you got frozen.
Can you all hear me now? Can you all hear me now, beta? Okay, moving on to the next page.
Synonyms are words that are similar in meaning but they're different.
Can you please repeat, beta?
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, wait, I am also coming. Don't start.
What going anywhere. I'm here only. Where will I go? Hamza, did you perform the experiment?
Ma'am, can you open my WhatsApp? I have sent you 2 pictures.
Hina, I want you to send it in Google Classroom, na beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Quickly moving on. We are about to finish this chapter finally today.
Ma'am, we have to do this now.
Yes, we are supposed to do this 2 pages. And this is your assignment for today. So in that today you have a big assignment to do. Everybody will be very attentive. Half an hour and only for studies, nothing else. Okay, no miss, no ma'am.
What is my assignment to do?
This is a revision, the question bank that we are going to solve today. I'll be posting it and then you are supposed to post it back to me with the answers. Okay, moving on to question number 1. The flower is the name of one of the 4 parts of the flower. Can you name the other 3? What are the other 3 parts of the plant, beta? Quickly.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, stem, leaves and root.
Very good.
Stem,
Bilal, can you
leaves
write it
and root.
quickly?
Stem, leaves and root.
Everybody will take a note of the answers because you are going to write these answers and submit to me on Google Classroom.
And nobody will annotate except you.
Yes.
Magic tricks from classes. So they have been like obsessed with magic tricks. So
Is anybody trying to say something to me?
Now, what is this page? No, ma'am. Bilal's sister is talking.
Okay. Bilal, what is the
He's
page
doing
number?
class. 70.
70. Leave. This is leave. Leave me alone. It is L-E-A-F.
Oh, sorry.
L-E-A-F.
Ma'am, I can't understand this. What will I write?
Bilal has wrote stem, leaf, and roots. See. what are
Bilal,
the 4?
write in the text.
Shall I write in text?
Yes, please. So
Yes.
that will be more clear now. And use a bright color. Okay, so what is the question? See, we have 4 important parts of plant. One is leaves. What are the other? Roots, stems, and flowers. And flower is given. Flower is already given in the question. So what are we going to write? We are going to write leaves, we are going to write roots, and we are going to write stems. Right?
Ma'am, can I do the second one?
Okay, let us finish the first one.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody will take a note of the answers. Okay, I want these answers in your Google Classroom. Okay, quickly moving on to the question number 2. Please mute yourself, Prita. Please mute yourself.
रिकॉर्ड भी होता था, ये आता था, ये आता था, बॉक्स आता था, टीवी आता था, एवी आता था. 1 2 3.
Kids, I request everybody to mute.
Ma'am, you mute everyone.
Okay, again, Ikra, please mute yourself, Prita.
Ma'am, go and participant, and since you are the host, you can mute everybody.
I can mute everybody, but then I want answers also. Then I have to unmute everybody again and again. That is the reason I'm not muting it. If it would be only one type of conversation, I would have muted everybody forever. I would have not allowed you to speak only. Okay, moving on quickly to the next question. Describe a flower you've seen. What did it look like? What did it smell like? Any one flower?
Ma'am, hibiscus. I saw a hibiscus, ma'am.
Okay.
It is red, ma'am, and it has sort of what?
I like the ladybug color.
Who is talking?
Ma'am, a rose is also red.
Okay.
Yes.
See, okay, we'll keep the
Ma'am,
flowers
what is the
simple.
page number?
70.
Ma'am, can we write rose?
Yes, we can write rose. The color is generally red. And what is the fragrance like? Sweet.
Sweet.
What sort of fragrance does this rose have? Can we call it sweet?
Sweet, ma'am. Sweet.
Yes, we
Sweet.
can call it sweet sort of.
Sweet. Bilal, right. Bilal, right. Bilal, right. Ma'am, can you mute Hamza?
I can only mute one, ask two. Okay, Hamza is already on mute. Okay, great. Who wanted to write? Hinda, you wanted to write the second question, beta?
Ma'am, Bilal can write.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
are you saying me, ma'am, Hinda?
Yes, Hinda, you want to write in the second question quickly, but no wasting time.
Ma'am, name 2 things that a plant needs to grow. It needs water and sunlight.
Quickly write it in that question, and Bilal will be writing the second one. Yes, hibiscus. And what is the smell like? I hope everybody is understanding both the questions. What are the 2 important things that a plant needs to grow? Water and sunlight.
Ma'am, hibiscus is red and it smells like honey. The smell was like honey.
Okay, the hibiscus was red in color and the smell was
H will
like...
be capital.
Ma'am, and they also make tea out of a hibiscus flower.
Yes, that's completely right. Okay, moving on to question number 4.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, wait. This.
Has everybody taken a note of it?
In the erase what you have written. Ma'am, shall I erase mine?
No, let it be. Because everybody might be taking a note of it. No?
বিশ্বাস করছে না খালি দাদাকে বলে দাও তো ভাইকে বলে দাও তো আমি রান্না আগে করতাম কিনা ঘরে
Has everybody taken a note of the answers, beta?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Nida, are you writing the answers also, beta? Nida?
Ma'am, I know the third one, ma'am. No, I know the fourth one.
Ma'am, can you do the up 1 second? I can't understand that.
Which one, beta?
Water and
Up
sunlight.
1.
This one?
Name 2 things. Yes.
Yes. So what are the 2 things that the plant needs to grow, beta?
Water and sunlight.
Sunlight.
Now you know the answer, Ikra?
Ma'am, I know the down fourth one, ma'am.
Yes, I'll
I
just
know
do
that
it. Once
fourth.
it is everybody, can I
না না উনি
move
যে
further?
আপনি সুন্দর করে সারা যে কোনো জিনিস আর কি
Ma'am, it is making extra
মানে আমি কি বলবো আর কি বিশ্বাস করা যায় না উনি সবসময় বলছেন
Everybody, please mute yourself.
Ma'am, can you write this?
Okay, I'm just
Fourth.
writing the answer of, okay, for the third one or for the fourth one?
Ma'am, the 2 stages of investigation, they are like asking questions that if we put a plant in the sun for too long, what will it turn like?
Give me a
And,
second. I'll just write this answer and then I'll move on to the next question. Huh? Sunlight and water. Okay, question number 4. 2 stages of an investigation are asking question and predicting what will happen. Can you name 2 more stages? What are the other 2 more stages? First, I'll ask a question and then I can predict. What are the 2 more stages, beta?
Conclusion.
Bilal, you know the answer?
Ma'am, photosynthesis.
দেখা হবে বা আমার বাড়ি কোন জায়গায় আছে
Ma'am, photosynthesis.
Yes. And the other is
No, beta.
What?
How?
Photosynthesis isn't part of an investigation.
That is not a part of
Yes.
investigation,
আপনি
beta.
আসবেন সামনে সামনে বসে
One will be observation, another will be conclusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Yes, I'm
write it
writing the
down?
answer. I'm writing it. Everybody will be on mute. Everybody.
Shall I write in text, ma'am?
Yes, please write, beta. The 4th answer. First will be asking question. Second will be predicting. Third will be observation. And 4th will be conclusion. Arhan, are you noting it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, beta.
Ma'am, can you write the answer?
Bilal is writing it.
yes. Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
I can't see anything, ma'am, what he is writing.
Yes, just give him a minute.
She, he is not she.
ইঞ্জিনিয়ার গো
I told he, not she.
Asking questions, prediction, observation, conclusion.
Observation and conclusion. You want me to help you with the spelling?
Ma'am, can you write?
No, ma'am, I know the spelling.
Question and observe. Yes, he's written all the 4 points: asking questions, prediction, observation, and conclusion. You can write third and fourth, or else you can write all the 4 ones.
Ma'am, shall I write my own investigation report?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Once you all are done noting
Ma'am,
it down.
I am writing.
Okay, Kra, please write. Once you are done, please tell me so that I can move on to the next question. I want to complete this chapter today.
Like this.
Musa, I hope you are even noting it down, Musa.
Yes.
Great. What about Mariam? Are you noting it down? Are you all done? Can I move on to the next page, beta?
No, ma'am. Just last time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you 1 more minute and then I'll move on to the next question.
Done, ma'am.
Great. Moving on to the next page.
Wait. Ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay.
I am observation.
You're on observation. Okay. Observation, conclusion. These are the 4 main steps of investigation. Syed, are you understanding it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, can I move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving on. Let me just clear this. Okay. What do plants take from air? What do they take?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good.
Carbon
The answer is carbon
they give.
dioxide. And they give us
And they give us-
oxygen. I
Yes.
just, if you write the answers, you all note it down. Carbon dioxide.
Then, ma'am.
Everybody? Can I move on? These are
Yes,
just the
ma'am.
pointers that we all will read. I'll read. I can now name 4 parts of the flowering plant. Can we all
Yes,
name,
ma'am.
right?
Yes.
Let's just put a tick over it, okay? I can identify the
ma'am.
different parts of flowering plant. You can identify.
Ma'am, done.
Yes. I
Yes.
know what flowering plants need for a healthy growth. We all know
Yes.
what do they need. And the last is I
Yes.
know
Yes,
the
ma'am.
stages of science investigation. Just we wrote an answer. Right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Moving on to next page. Okay, finish this.
Ma'am, you know Malika ma'am do not do this page. Means In material, like this page also come, but Malika ma'am has not done.
How do you solve question answers? Like, how does she give an assignment in that?
Malika ma'am,
Yes.
Malika ma'am teach sciences and maths also.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Like you.
Okay. So what about the question
And
answers?
Malika, she taught us types of plants like shrubs, trees, bushes,
Yes.
and then
Yes, and materials
photosynthesis and
also.
that.
And materials.
But
Materials also.
but we didn't do this page, ma'am.
Oh, not a problem. We'll just do it so that there are no confusion basically. Okay. What do roots have that help them to take water from the ground?
I cannot.
What do
Root.
have?
Roots.
They have
No, no, no.
Plant.
Hair. Ma'am, roots hair.
root hair. I'll just write the answer. Everybody will take a note of it quickly.
Ma'am, you are touching your hair, then only I understand.
Yes. Somebody told me plant. Roots have plant?
Can you write, ma'am?
Yes,
Yes, I'm
ma'am. I
right.
said plant.
Not a problem. Happens. Bilal is a good boy. I like Bilal. He's very attentive in class and very studious also. Root hair.
Ma'am, every day I cannot share my screen because
Ma'am,
I
behind you
have
there is
very-
neon green color cycle. Yes, ma'am.
You want to see one more? You can see one more.
Yes. Oh, ma'am, Ahmed.
This is Zida.
Ma'am,
Say
can you
hi.
write?
Hi.
Everybody say hi. Go play.
Ma'am, so cute.
Yes, today she wants a kitchen set that has light and sound in it. So she's just mad behind the kitchen set. And she's asking me every 5 minutes, Mama, when will it come? When will it come? Okay. Describe the journey that the water takes after it has entered the roots. Where does the water go next after it has entered the roots?
Ma'am, it
stem.
goes to the stem, ma'am.
Very
Stem.
good.
It goes to the stem.
I'll just write the answer. Everybody will take a note of it. Stem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I understand how water from the ground reaches the leaves. How does the water reach the leaves? It is absorbed by roots and transported
Yes.
by stem.
By stem.
And today we have our
And so we will take.
pages. So fast we are doing, no?
Yes, because
Today?
nobody is interrupting, na, that is only reason.
Yes.
So we are going to put a right on this. Okay, how does the water travel from the water to the leaves? First, it is absorbed by the roots, and then it is transported with the help of the stem to different parts of the plant. Okay, moving on to this question. What happens to a plant if the weather is too hot for it? What will happen?
The plant will die.
Yes, it will dry up and die. Plant, quickly write it.
Yes, ma'am, we are not done.
Right, just a second, there's a spelling mistake over here. The plants will dry
Yes,
up
ma'am.
and
That,
die.
yes.
No, ma'am, we are
That's
not
why
done.
I'm showing. Dry spelling is not this.
Yes, it is spelling error.
Ma'am, bravo.
Yes,
What
ma'am. done.
happens to a plant if the weather is too cold?
Ma'am, we are doing fourth chapter.
The plant will get frozen.
Yes, it will freeze
Yes.
and die. Everybody is taking a note of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am, writing.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, for our phones are words that are
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay, I understand
Yes.
why healthy plants need not to be too cold and hot, not too cold, right? Now we understand the temperature has neither be too hot nor too cold. It should be good enough so that the plant can survive. We all now
Ma'am.
understand this? Yes, Pilal?
So ma'am, we will tick. Ma'am, so we will tick that. Tick.
Yes.
Tick.
Yes, just put a
Okay.
tick over
So
it.
we will also.
Ma'am, where we have to do tick?
Oh, here, beta. I understand. Here.
We have only done the third one.
Yes, now I'll do this.
The first and the second we have not done.
I'll just do it right now, beta. Okay? Name one thing that tells you a plant is unhealthy. How will you come to know?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the plant is.
I know when a plant is unhealthy.
When, Hinda, please explain.
What was the answer?
I'm asking you. You know the answer? How will you tell the plant is unhealthy?
Ma'am,
Yes, Hinda.
ma'am, what was the first one? I know when a plant is
Ma'am,
unhealthy.
we will not give water and sunlight. It will die.
It will die. But how will you know that the plant is dying? What?
Ma'am, it will be drooping and it will be brown or black.
Yes, the leaves will droop and it will turn brown or black. Let me just write.
Ma'am, like my plant is coming black.
Yes.
Me also, ma'am.
Plant will
Ma'am, I'm already texting on the screen, ma'am.
yes. And leaves will what has happened?
Ma'am, I was telling I was also texting, ma'am.
Okay, now the plant is unhealthy if it is droopy or brown and black. Very good. Everybody will take a note of this.
Here, I mean, here and here. Cell and cell.
Everybody has taken a note of it. Hinda, Ikra,
No, ma'am.
No,
I
ma'am,
mean,
like
droopy.
the majority of the cameras are off.
Done, ma'am.
Everybody, can I move on to the next question?
writing, ma'am, writing.
Okay, okay. I'll wait for 2 more minutes. I just have one more question to go and then we are done. So happy we are finally completing a chapter.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we are doing this chapter for 6 or 7 months or 12 months.
Yes, yes. It's been almost a month.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And that force will come chapters.
Then I have, ma'am, I am saying the top one, the right or wrong we have to do.
Yes, yes. You have to do either right or wrong. If you are clear with the concepts, you have to do a right. If you're not clear, do it wrong.
Hello.
In math class, we have to do this.
Yes. Okay, we have just one more question. Right.
Ahmed, read for